You can create a new Stitch Belle project either by pressing the Create New Canvas button or by selecting the Create Document in the File Browser area there. I'm going to click the Create New Canvas button, and when a new project is created, it's initially untitled. You can change the name here if you want. I'm not going to do that now. The next thing you do is set the size of the canvas. The width and height can be between 1 and 18 inches, and you can specify width and height in half-inch increments. So for example, I could set the width to 3.5 and the height to 5.5. After you set your canvas size, you choose the mesh count, and you can see the options here. I'm going to choose 18. And then you have the option to choose a reference image. Usually you'll do this when you want to trace an image or use the draft tool. I'll have another video about how to draft from an image to convert an image or a photo into a needlepoint design. Let's go ahead and choose an image. I'll select choose image, and then it gives me the option to select an image either from your photo library or your file system. I'm going to go to the file system by selecting browse files, and I'm going to choose this pumpkin as my reference image. Since I'm doing this pumpkin, I'm going to make it a little bit, I think I'm just going to make it a 4x4 canvas. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than that. I'm going to make it a 3x3 canvas. And I'm going to go back to a 13 mesh count. So this is going to be like a small beginner canvas. One thing to note is right below the pumpkin image here, you'll see there's an import option. So that's actually the second way you can initialize your project. You can import file an open cross stitch file, which are files that are created using other applications like WinStitch or MacStitch. But we'll go ahead and create this pumpkin project by just selecting the Create button in the upper right hand corner here. And now our project is created and open and ready to be completed.